All right, everybody, I got just a quick one for you this morning. Today we're going to look at a utility called RyTuneX. This is a Windows utility to help DeCr4pify Windows, shall we say. There are a number of these out there, but this one is available in winget. So I'll run the installer. Winget install RyTuneX, and we'll let this run. Now, this is not a fresh install Windows. This is a clone of an installed VM that was built using my microwin image, and I just wanted to use this for speed of getting this built and getting the video out. So let's take a look. And once this is installed, we will go ahead and launch it. Just for the sake of argument, we'll open Task Manager, and this particular machine has 12 virtual CPU cores and 16 gigs of RAM. So it is not the speed demon, but it's not exactly a slouch either. So let's run RyTuneX, and we'll see what we can do with this. It's going to prompt to create a restore point, so we're going to let it do that or not. I'm not going to worry about it because this is a VM and I'll destroy it after the video is over. So let's go to optimize. And so as you can see, this gives you a number of options that could speed up Windows a bit. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through the selection process, and we will come back in a minute. All right, moving on to the debloat section. Get rid of some of this Microsoft garbage that they insist on including, especially the Xbox garbage, because I'm never going to run Xbox stuff, whether it was on a physical machine or a VM. I'm not interested in it. Goodbye, telemetry. The only thing I wish this had was a select all. All I would have to do is turn off the things that I don't want turned on. It would make for a much quicker experience in here, since there is just so much garbage that needs to go away. Let's just come down here to Windows 11 exclusive. All right, we can stick with this amount of stuff here. And networking and security device, this is just sort of an overview of things. So if we go ahead and quit out, I'll be back after the restart. All right, so we're back here on the desktop, and we will open up Task Manager again. And we're under 3% CPU and 16% of memory. That's definitely made a little bit of a difference. All right, so this is a before and after of running RyTuneX, and yes, it may not be for everybody, but for home lab, for demonstration images of Windows, I can see where this tool would be handy, and you can find this on GitHub and through the project's website, both of which I will link down in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.